So actually, your activity number 5 is related to our lesson this morning. It's all about stoichiometry, which is a part of the study of chemistry na naga-quantify sa amount sa atuang substance, either the element or the compound. So you cannot solve for stoichiometry without knowing the balancing. So, kailangan balance muna ang ating equation for us to predict the quantity or the amount of either the reactant or the product. So, himay-himayon na to ang stoichiometry. Ang pag-study sa stoichiometry class, i-divide na to sa daghan nga activities sa lab. So, we will start with the conversion. In this activity, we will start with the conversion of moles to grams and grams to moles. So using this formula. So when you want to convert moles to grams, you just have to multiply the moles of the element times their atomic mass. You will get the mass of the element. So just like this, I'll give you an example so that you will know how to compute. Actually, you know how to compute for this. So example, what is the mass in grams of 13.50 moles of the element na copper? So, di ba, ako ang ginahatag sa inyo, ani nga formula is the moles is equal to the weight of the substance. This is in grams divided by its molecular weight. Pero kani, derive na daan ang formula. So, muna siyang ang mass. Mass talks about the weight. Kaya mo na siyang i-cross multiply. So, giderive na daan ang formula. Weight or mass is now equal to the moles of the substance or the element times its molecular weight, or since element atong ginaistoryahan din we call it the atomic mass or the atomic weight. So for the example, the given there is 13.50 moles. So to get the mass or the weight of the element, you will just have 13.50 moles times the atomic weight of copper. So you will look at your periodic table kung unsa ang atomic weight ni copper. Pero my instruction again is for us to be uniform, please round off the atomic weights of the elements to the nearest whole number. Again, it should be to the nearest whole number. Kaya lang ang example nato diri kay 2 decimal places man na iyahang gigamit nga atomic weight. So kana na lang sa atong gamiton, 63.55 grams per mole. So makansel ang moles, ang mabilin kay grams. So if you have 13.5 na moles sa copper, it is equivalent to 857.93 grams. So, anaon lang siya pag answer. Mag-practice sa taog convert sa moles to grams. And vice versa, grams to moles. Okay? Questions about the conversion of moles to grams? Wala. So, ang next one sa stoichiometry is the conversion of grams to moles using the same formula. Okay? So, using the same formula, weight of the substance is equal to, let's use this one. Moles is equal to the weight of the substance divided by the molecular weight. So, ang atong example for this, you have here a scientist prepared 31.9 grams of aluminum. So, how many moles of aluminum were produced? This is not produces, it should be produced. Wait. Okay. So, you will just use this formula class and then you have the weight 31.9 grams. And then the atomic mass of aluminum is, di ba, 27 atong ginagamit kay gina-round off nato siya. But in this example, wala ni siya nag-round off. That is why ang iyang gigamit kay 26.98 grams per mole. So makansel ang grams, ang mabilin class na unit is the mole. So 31.9 divided by 26.98. The answer here is 1.18 moles of your aluminum. So that is how you convert grams to moles. Questions? Questions for the conversion? Moles to grams and vice versa. Grams to moles. Wala. So kaya lang. This will be your activity for this morning. So sa baba, you will see there the worksheet. So mani inyuhang answeran, you just have, for the first part, you just have to convert the moles into grams. You have to show your solution. Please take note that we will be using the atomic weights of the elements na naka-round off to the nearest whole number. And ang sa baba pod, you will have the conversion of mass in grams to moles. Yeah. Yes, Maisel. And then, you will just answer the questions on the third page. And you have to provide your conclusion on what you have learned in this activity. Yes, kita ninyo siya sa Schoology. Wait lang, class ha. Wait lang, good.